Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we see how we have two repos, Anoma Vision, which is the anomaly detection algorithm, and the industrial anomaly detection MLOps, which will be let's say running in the cloud itself, in the Azure DevOps and also ML portal. And but now we have the repos here, but we need to make it, let's see, duplicated here, or with any way we'd like to make it accessible in this DevOps. By the way, we can also work with the when we create a pipelines, we can work directly with the GitHub. But I would like to make it, let's see, safe and secret. So I would like to make a copy, or let's see, a remote. I will set a URL to this at origin from this repo here, and could be accessible in this directory here. So what I have to do in the beginning, I have to, let's see, for instance, just selecting this name, I need to create a repo with the same name, only empty repo. Let's see, create a repo, new repo, and we can see Anoma Vision, remove this readme, add, and you can see now it's empty. And you should copy this URL, but I will just show you now in a moment. So if you see now, I'm in the my local directory where we the Anoma Vision, which is the repo of the GitHub, this one here, the original. Now I need to add all of these in the DevOps repo. So what I can do is first should see the what are the remotes in this one, and you can see the remotes are the deep knowledge Anoma Vision.git. And if you see which origin, and of course it should be the one that is GitHub. You can see GitHub. Now I need to make a remote, add remote to this, and you can see just copy and paste it here. Now if I am just adding another remote to this repo here. So if I see now just git remote, you can see I have the uh, I have two remotes. Yeah. Now I need to push. Let me just see. I have here this, and what are the main, which is the main branch. So I need now to make this push into the git to the DevOps. And if you see here, I just add git remote add DevOps, and it's the other way around. If you have your repo in a DevOps and you would like to make a remote from to the GitHub, you can see git remote add GitHub and your directory and your URL. Now let me just see this. I need to push these changes, and I will try to see if this will be pushed to the Git. Let me refresh. Wow, you can see now we have everything is in here, and also including every commit I have done. So this will save you much time. If you would like, let's see, to make another one. So in the other one, in the other repo, I will just go to here. The same way, just I just need the name. Just copy the name, add another repo from here, just add new repo, call it with this name, remove the add or uncheck, and now you need also this URL, but I have already copied this, so it's the same. You just have to see, just let me just see what are inside this repo here. So let me just clear cd one directory above, now cd industrial MLOps. Now I need to see what are the origins and remotes, and so you can see the remote is only the GitHub, and it's also only a GitHub indeed, And now I need to add this origin here. So I have to add this remote. So what you can do is, I just forgot, maybe I have said that. Just copy this, and in here you just replace it with the with the URL here, just like this. And now you will add a remote to this repo here, and now you can see, if you see now, the git branches remote, and you can see here I have it, the DevOps and also the GitHub. Now I will push the changes in this main directory, in this main, and as you can see here, so please make sure that in this branch I have its main branch. If it's master branch, we have to change this also to master branch, this one here. But here it's main. I will just copy and paste. Now it will make a copy, or let's see, a remote to this. And you can see here I have push to DevOps, and if it's the other way around, it's a GitHub, so you can just change it to GitHub. Now you can see I have these. It's including everything here, so it will be easy for us, let's say, to work with uh, the pipelines. And another the next step is we have to do is that if we would like, indeed. So now we have this, we have these two, let's see, not duplicated. Let's see that not duplicated, I would say, and it's not duplicated. But when I update something here, I have to reflect it to this directly. If you want, you can create this pipeline. You have to add this pipeline into the DevOps, and this, when we have, let's say, any changes, some changes, it will be directly, you can see here, add remote GitHub, and then it will be push directly to the main branch. And I think that's it for today. And if you like the video, subscribe into my channel, like the video, and if you have any question, just drop it in the comment below. Or if you have, let's see, any issues, problems, just let me know.